Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the world of automobiles and motorcycles. Today, we're spotlighting a name that's making a triumphant return, the 2026 Honda Shadow ACE. Once a staple of Honda's cruiser lineup, the American Classic Edition is back, blending vintage styling with updated features for today's rider. With its smooth V-Twin engine, retro-inspired details, and comfortable ergonomics, the new Shadow ACE revives the spirit of classic cruising with a modern edge. Let's take a closer look at what's been reimagined for this legendary cruiser. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Honda Shadow ACE pays tribute to its heritage with traditional cruiser lines, a large front fender, wide handlebars, and a teardrop fuel tank. The look is undeniably nostalgic, enhanced by spoked wheels, chrome trim, and flowing bodywork. Honda brings back two-tone paint schemes like pearl white with candy blue and black with burgundy, evoking vintage vibes with a refined finish. Modern touches include LED lighting discreetly integrated into the retro design and a redesigned saddle with better support for long hauls. This is a cruiser that celebrates its roots while embracing the now. Performance and powertrain. The Shadow ACE is powered by Honda's tried-and-true 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-Twin, offering a smooth and mellow power band ideal for relaxed rides and weekend escapes. Tuned for torque at low RPMs, it pairs perfectly with the 5-speed transmission for an easy, engaging ride. The engine has been updated with revised fuel mapping for more responsive acceleration and slightly improved efficiency. A shaft drive system ensures low maintenance, while suspension updates provide a more planted feel on winding roads and highway stretches alike. It's the kind of powertrain that builds confidence and comfort mile after mile. Safety and technology. Staying true to its old-school charm, the 2026 Shadow ACE keeps tech subtle but meaningful. A revised gauge cluster mixes analog and digital elements, giving riders clear access to essentials like speed, fuel, and trip info. LED lighting boosts visibility without disrupting the retro aesthetic, and optional ABS on select trims adds a layer of safety without intruding on the ride feel. A small USB-C port under the side cover offers discreet charging for mobile devices. Honda strikes a fine balance here, giving modern riders the essentials without overloading the experience with unnecessary tech. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Shadow ACE marks a welcome return of a cruiser icon, combining the best of the past with thoughtful upgrades for today's roads. Its nostalgic design, proven V-Twin power, and comfortable ride make it a perfect choice for those who appreciate a classic look with reliable performance. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the cruiser world, the new ACE brings timeless appeal with everyday usability. Stick with Gear Grinders for more reviews and updates.